So have you had yours on?
No.
That's good. I just bought it. Yeah, good on you. That's why I got mine online. I thought that's a bit crazy, but we did your research. This is fun.
Advanced Elements?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty good, the Advanced Elements. I had 2 of those.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
Okay.
in earlier days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I've been able to do a lot, you know, I'd rather not getting out in the water.
They're just a pain to dry, but
Yeah.
well, we are underway. Lake's entrance, the War Memorial boat ramp, and we're heading down the North Arm with 1, 2, 3, 4 other people. 5 other people. And we're going to have a stop at a winery. Have a Devonshire tea or something. Sounds good to me. Bit of rain about, but hopefully not enough to worry us, but got a jacket handy in case there's a bit of rain. Well, that was a very relatively short paddle at 3 kilometres down to the winery, and this is where we get out, which is going to be challenging because we've got a couple of boats at the pontoon, pretty steep bank, so we're going to have a look at this and see what the best options are. Shallow, it's easy. Yeah. In all my years of kayaking, I've never had a puncture.
Oh, yeah, no, I haven't either. Yeah, see, that's how I do it.
You make it look easy.
If you want to bring it over here,
Yeah.
let's see. I reckon we can get you out. There's a bit of a bar here,
All right.
which will stop you scraping against anything that might be a bit sharp.
No sharp edges you can see.
No, there is on this side though.
All right. Okay. I'll pop out.
I'll just move mine out of the way.
Any others coming on top here?
I don't know. Louise, where do you want to go?
Ooh, like the GoPro, which is recording.
You didn't paddle real hard to earn any. That's right. You've been looking for a life. Yep. Got a bit of spare room there, Larry?
Yep.
Just watch that way. Thank you to the baby. It must be the berry. Oh, the berry. Yeah.
Bit of headwind.
Yeah.
That's sort of new.
Very overcast, bit of a headwind, nothing too serious. Good.
Do you need a home?
Nah.
How many times have you been out in the sun? Long.
I've done 2 camping trips and
Yeah, okay.
5 or 6 day paddles.
Yeah.
It's just going to be getting back across that main bit.
Yeah.
So you're going to be right behind me there.
Yeah.
So if you just try and stick to one side.
One side?
Yep. And this will just give you a little bit of extra help, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So
You happen with Jodie?
Yep.
You like Jodie?
Yep, I'll sit behind Gail. Excuse me, coming back.
We now call Jodie the tugboat.
It does get a bit windy up here. So this will just give that little bit of an extra push. Okay, you go, Gail.
Sorry.
You right, Charity? Yep, we're right. You in? You on? Go. You didn't wave anything?
Sorry.
No. Alright, off we go. Okay, Gail. Yep. Now, if we just paddle in behind, yeah, hop in behind me. Yep. You on? Okay. So even if you're here, you have trouble. Behind me? Yep, I'm right. Do you want me to go faster? Yep. There? Yep, that's good. As you come in close,
I need to go in close to the home.
yeah, that's it. Use it. Perfect. Is that better? Okay. That's better. Yeah, Larry. Coming through.
You're right. Go for it.
Yep, I can't see good.
I'll just hook on the back. They're like, look at her go. She's amazing. What'd you give her? Jelly beans? A little bit slower on the way back. Got some wind and we got a bit of chop. But we're doing good. I'm up the back. I'm the oldest and slowest. All these young girls with me that are way out in front. The north arm gets pretty wide at this point. You can see right over there is the other side. We've come over to the right-hand side to try and escape the wind a bit. And by and large, it's worked pretty well. But at some stage, we've got to get back over the other side as we get closer to the car park, which is not too far away. I'll hold the wine for you.
She's a lot straighter in yours. She's not. It's very hard.
How good is this? How often do you get it to go out paddling with 5 young girls?
Yeah. I don't know about young.
Oh, you're all young compared to me. It's all relative.
We're all catching up.
Maybe try that one.
Try this one. Wow.
You may as well. We're here. We may as well